I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on a 2006 Honda CRV. First thing you want to do is turn the switch on and make sure you're on trip B, and then you're going to turn the switch off. Hold down trip, turn the switch back on until you see your maintenance required light. It'll flash. Once it does that, turn your switch off and you're good to go. Again, turn your switch on, make sure you're on trip B. You're going to turn your switch back off, press and hold the right button, hold it down until maintenance required light flashes. Just like that, you're done. It's reset. Thanks for watching.